Hello, 7th graders. So we are in week 6 of 7 weeks. We are almost done. But this week, I'm going to go ahead and do a video for week 6 and week 7. So for week 6, it's May 4th through May 8th. You are going to watch this video. There's not a quiz to it. It's just a video. And then after you are done watching the video, you are to do a cylinder volume big ideas and then a volume of a cylinder quizzes. So that is all going to be due Monday, May 11th. So a big ideas, a quizzes, and it will be due Monday, May 11th at 8:30 a.m. Then I unlocked this for what the last week is. It's a self-reflection. It is unlocked. You can go do it right now. Whenever you have time to do it, go ahead and do it. It will be due Tuesday, May 12th. That will be due Tuesday, May 12th. Also, okay, so you can do the self-reflection even this week and get it done, and then you're done with 7th grade math for the year, okay? Whenever you'd like to finish that, that is fine. Alright, another thing is I will take late work. That is all only until Wednesday, May 13th at 4 p.m. That is my cutoff date. If you turn anything in after Wednesday, May 14th or May 13th after 4 o'clock, I'm not taking it. It's staying in NHI. So that is the cutoff date. Make sure next week you watch this video, you do the big ideas, you do the quizzes. Then the last week you do self-reflection, and then you're done. If you have any catch-up work, make sure you get it done by Wednesday, May 13th. Alright, you guys have a great day, and let's have a great week.